Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we're doing my simple everyday makeup look together. This is gonna be a little bit different and I'm definitely gonna be amateur shooting this video. I'm pretty sure of that, but stay with me because this is such an easy lazy girl's makeup routine because I'm gonna be using minimal products. And this is also very ideal if you have brown eyes because I've done a very simple smoky eye as well. And yeah, if you're ready, let's get started. So the very first step in my makeup routine is moisturizing my face, especially around my eyes because I have, you know, the crow's feet. I have a little bit, not a little bit, too much hooded eyes. So it's really a necessary step that I cannot just pass because otherwise I'm just gonna crease right away. So the very first step in my makeup routine is always moisturizing my face, especially around my eyes. And lately I've been using this moisturizer from Cream Co. It's an amazing makeup base, I have to say. And I go especially like in this area, including my eyelids, because we're gonna be applying makeup around that part as well. And since I've already done my morning skincare, I'm not going all over my face because I have sunscreen and my morning serum. So I'm only gonna apply in this area and also maybe a little bit in this area. And you cannot forget the lips for sure. So done. Now on to the makeup. As you can see, I have such an acne prone skin, so I have acne marks and some marks and some blemishing going around my face. So first thing first is I'm gonna even out my skin tone. I'm not doing this to clog my pores, to be honest, and I love a light makeup, but this is a step that we need to get done. So first things first, I'm gonna use my foundation True Match Super Blendable Foundation from L'Oreal Paris. The one I have is 1 point and neutral. So I'm gonna use my sponge just a little bit onto it and go over my face. I'm applying it super lightly for now because we're gonna apply one more product under my eye. Before I complete the foundation step, I'm gonna use my color corrector from Golden Rose, if I can show it. Perfect. I'm gonna use this peach undertoned color corrector for my, you know, not purple but brown under eyes because I need to neutralize that color first and then I'm gonna go in with my foundation. And I'm not gonna be using concealer because it looks really heavy and I just like end up straight away like creasing in my eye area, and I really don't want that. Gently applying it, not too much. Gotta do the same only to the areas that I have darkness going on. And what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna use my finger and I'm gently tapping on that area, letting it sit and absorb. It's gonna look a little bit orange, but that's fine. I am getting more foundation on my sponge And I'm gonna go over my face one more time. Put that onto my face. You cannot forget this area. I may look a little bit, you know, more white than I usually look, but that is just like gonna go away in a few minutes, so I know that it's fine and I'm not overusing the foundation. And this is truly the color that matches my skin, and I really like it. I'm going over my eyelids just to, you know, balance the skin tone in my face. Now we got a perfect base. Look at my under eyes, they're looking amazing. I love it so much. Now the next step is gonna be my eyebrow, but I'm doing close to nothing to my eyebrow, and I don't like those, you know, gels or stuff like this. I'm only gonna fill out the areas that I don't have much eyebrows, so they can look more balanced. So especially on this one, I go on to this area and I'm only gonna tap. I'm not even like trying to create a line, because that's gonna look very like unnatural right away. So I'm going really gently. This is actually a waterproof quote-unquote eyeliner for smoky eyes from Flormer, but I just use it for my eyebrows. I thought that that way is just like gonna work better. Now after that, we're gonna do a basic, super basic contour, because I cannot just like be bothered with a really long makeup routine. So from Newell, I have this, you know, double-sided stick contour, and I'm only gonna use one side that I can use to contour my face basically. Now I'm gonna go over my cheekbones right under them. So when I do this, like that, not too much, not too little, to the other side. And I'm gonna go over it with my blush brush. I don't know how to say that. I don't know the name for this brush, to be honest. Gently let it sit. I know that it's not going to be super visible because I applied so little, but that's not the only thing, because next I'm going to be using this liquid blush in a super nice warm brown color. This is from Pastel. I'm gonna use it again just a little bit, not too much, because I don't want to look bronze. Blend, blend, blend. I love that very light bronzy look on my cheeks. But as the next step, I'm gonna use this Mood Booster blush from Flormer. This has such a lovely pink color, and I'm gonna go just a little bit over that cheekbone. I'm gonna place it here. On to the other. We're approaching summer season and I want to look a little bit, just a little bit pink. Now I want to start my eye makeup, and what I aim is a super basic daily smoky eye look because I have brown eyes and they're extremely hooded, so I'm not going to be doing an eyeliner. Instead, what I want to do is a very soft smoky eye look. So I have two pencils that I'm gonna use, and the first one is from Maybelline New York Lasting Drama. This is 10 Midnight Black, and the other one is from Golden Rose. It's called Dream Eyes Eyeliner. The number is 409. So this is in a very dark brown color, so I'm gonna go over with this, and I'm aiming for a little bit, you know, that foxy eye look. So I'm not gonna go over my eyes, just at the end of it. So I'm going like this. I'm looking straight into the mirror right now. I'm already creasing. That's great news, by the way. I'm going a little bit under and over my eyes. Then using my black pencil, I'm going over my upper waterline, just the half of it, taking it till the end because I want to give my eyes that foxy look, and I don't want to look like I have bigger eyes. Now I'm a little bit on top of that. I'm not being very precise or careful because we're gonna blend that all in. This blush is normally used for eyeliners, but I'm gonna be using it to blend out what I have here. And I'm gonna be blending that in naturally. Now I'm blending the top. Now I want to give my inner corners some brightness, so I'm gonna use this pencil from, again, Golden Rose in the number 405. Tap in this area and then take it to my waterline. But not so much, it has to be super slightly. And also I'm gonna close my eye onto the inner area. This gives the effect that I have used an eyeshadow palette, but nope, it is just the pencil. Now using my stick contour once again for my eyes, and the aim is to create a shadow here. When you go straight, it goes between your eyebrow and your eyelid, especially here. So I'm going on that area, applying to this line just like I'm applying an eyeliner. Now tap, tap, tap. Now very slightly onto the top of my cheeks, I'm gonna use my highlighter. This is from Max Factor X. This is such an affordable option actually. I'm not a huge fan of highlighter, by the way. I don't like that super glowy look, because that way to me it looks very unnatural. So I'm gonna use very small pump. This one is enough. So I'm tapping here, here, same thing. We have a little bit more, maybe this area, maybe let's say this area as well. And I'm just gonna use my fingers. Curling my eyelashes for sure. I'm using my all-time favorite go-to mascara. This is from L'Oreal Paris Telescopic Mascara. I'm only gonna use this to the end of my lashes. Lastly, we need to cover lips as well. So first, I'm gonna go in with my lip liner first. This is in such a classic brown color. This is from Flormer. It's called Chocolate Fondue. It's 244. Next is I have a very nude looking lipstick from Avon True. By the way, I'm gonna link all the products down below so you can find them, because I'm not going like really into detail to, you know, numbers or all that stuff. Now this is such an ideal tone for an everyday look, but your girl also have another step to her lip routine. Now this is a very natural look, but since I love a reddish look, I will just tap in with this lipstick right here. This is also from A1 and in Hydra Fawn color. Also has a little bit moisturizer inside, which I love, and this will give us the red color that we want, because if I go very nude, I look a little bit strange, so I need color on my face. Yeah, I guess that's fine. Alright everyone, so this is the final look. I hope you like this video. I am so happy with how this looks, because nothing is, you know, oversaturated. Like, it's not super complicated. It takes, I think, close to 15 minutes, I have to say. But I'm really loving this look, honestly, and I really hope that you like this video and you found it, you know, somehow inspirational. And let me know if you want to see more of these makeup looks, because normally I'm not a makeup vlogger. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.